Hello and good morning, everybody. My name is Sir Rafael, and I will be teaching you environmental studies for class 1. Now, everybody, we will be continuing with lesson number 6, food and water. So, everybody, let us turn to page 33. What will we be learning today? From where do we get our food? Now that's very interesting, right? Where does the food you eat come from? Right? We like to eat different kinds of food, but where does it come from? Right? Let us learn about that today. So, where do we get our food? Food that we eat comes from plants and animals. Where does it come from? Plants and animals. The food that we eat comes from plants and animals. We get fruits, vegetables, cereals such as rice and wheat, pulses like dal, and nuts from plants, right? And then we get milk, meat, eggs, and honey from animals, right? Thầy tế, thải tế, bụ tế, tiang sang sang dal te mo tiang kha plant sa tang ni ma tang kan la thina thai tang kan la thina ni ma tang from plants, right? Chuan bong nu te sa te artui te khoizu te animals atangin mo ran atangin kan thin ani. Draw lines to match the picture of the food where it comes from. With where it comes from, right? So one example has been given to you. Do you see the picture of the egg, right? It's been matched with the hens. Why? Where do eggs come from? Do you know where eggs come from? They come from hens, right? What about what about honey? Do you see the picture of honey on top? Where does honey come from? Honey comes from honeybees. That's right. What about banana? Yeah, banana comes from the banana tree, right? Right on the top, that's a banana tree. And then apples come from the apple tree, right? So let us turn to the next page. Good habits at the dining table. We should follow some healthy habits when we eat food. Look at the pictures below. Color the circles green for pictures showing good habits. Color the circles red for pictures showing bad habits, right? Now look at look at the picture below. Wash hands before and after meals. Is it a good habit to wash hands before and after meals? Do you wash your hands before and after eating your meals? Yes. What about chew the food well while eating? Right? Do you chew food well while eating, or do you just swallow everything? Right? Is that a good habit or a bad habit? Talk a lot while eating. Do you like to talk a lot while eating? Is that a good habit? Do you like doing that? Right? Is that a good thing? If it's good, mark it with green. If it's bad, mark it with red. Wasting food. Is wasting food a good thing or a bad thing? Right? I think we know all of these things if our parents have taught us, right? I think mommy and daddy has always told you to wash your hands before and after meals. I think mommy and daddy has told you to chew your food well while eating, right? Don't just swallow everything. And then it's not good to talk a lot while eating, right? Eating is for talking is for other times, and while we eat we have to make sure that we keep eating. And then wasting food is not good also. Wasting food is a very bad habit, right? So don't do these things. Don't waste food and don't talk a lot while eating, okay? And then water is very important for us. We also need water to wash, drink, and cook food. We all drink water when we are thirsty. Some animals like fish and crab live in water. Animals and birds need water too, right? So we drink water, right? Do you drink water? How much water do you drink? it's very important to drink water every day. Okay, we need to drink water every day. All right, all the other animals and birds also need water, right? So, what are the different ways in which water is being used in the pictures below, right? Do you see the little girl while brushing her teeth, right? We use water to gargle and rinse our mouths, right? And then there's a boy watering plants. Plants need water to grow. And then look at the bird drinking water, the boy washing his hands, the boy having a shower, and then look at look at the person cooking. We need water for cooking as well, and then also for cleaning and washing clothes, right? So we need water for many different things, right? So we need water to wash our cars and vehicles as well, right? So let us try to remember what we've learned today. We need food to grow big and strong. Food gives us energy to work and play. We eat different kinds of food items. We have 3 meals in a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We get fruit from plants and animals, and water is also very important for us. We've come to the end of the lesson for today. For homework, I would like you to do exercises A, B, and C on page 36. All right. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.